My husband went down here and found some very significant archaeological finds. We requested a shovel test and we were told, boom, right out of the gate, boom, 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 bada boom. That looks like it to me. Right? Right out of the gate, baby. So they told us they'd send me a shovel test if I requested one through an open records request, and I didn't get it on Friday. What was this? So Daniel came out here yesterday, and whoa, wait till you see what he found. Let's put him in that bag. So we decided we'd come back out and film it. Maybe that's why I didn't get my shovel test on Friday. We're going down to the creek area where he found this stuff. But,
big machinery pretty much crushed all the good stuff.
Well, it's unfortunate that they're more concerned about a road than they are preserving the heritage and the culture, and in many instances, spiritual significance of the tools. I'm going to quit talking and shut the camera off and start looking. These are my shoes, so I won't get them all muddy. Holy moly! No wonder you found stuff! Look at this! Oh my Lord! Holy moly!
It's kind of hard to tell because of all the red dirt, but that's, the red is because there's a lot of iron in the earth here.
Huh. That's how it was in Marble Falls, if I remember. So is this where you... Oh my God, look how deep they're digging. It's like the Italians with the Colosseum. What'd you find?
Just a dark rock.
So this is where you found the stuff the other day? Do you have that mosquito repellent on you?
Mm-hmm.
What's this? My gloves on. I wonder if they're using chemicals to... Oh my God, look at that big bit. Do they just leave it there when they're done?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, what's this? Drinking a little beer on the job there, boys? Wow. Yeah, a little beer bottle, huh? A little bit of water. Keep them water bottles out. Okay. Okay, Daniel just found that piece, and I see this right here. Can you see? Let's see. Where is it? On the camera. There it is, right there. Here, can you get that out there? And then look right there. Look at the rock right there.
Oh my! Oh, that's a nap shirt right there. Look at that.
Here, look at the other piece of it right there that got broken. Do you want my gloves? I don't know if they're using...
I should have brought that little...
Yeah, that's a piece of... Look at that, dude. That's cool. Do you need something to... There you go. Whoa, what is that? Is that a big piece of rock?
It's a big piece of flint.
Flint! Baby! Whoa, 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 hold on.
Flint.
Let's see. Hold on. Wow. Wow.
Here it is.
Boom, baby.
It's huge.
Is this flint here too? Right there? Piece of rock. Huh. Interesting.
Put that down.
What about this right here? That flint?
See. Nope.
Okay. Where's the bone?
Right here. That's bone.
Bone, baby. Where'd you find the bone? Show me.
It was
Boom, right there.
Right there.
Bone.
This is bone.
That's bone. What is that?
More bone.
Show the bone. Wow. What's this right here? That looks like bone to me. That's bone.
That's bone.
Show the bone. That's bone, baby. Bone. Bone. Bone alert. What is that?
I don't know. Huh.
Show the camera, honey.
It's hard to tell.
Okay. You want to put some gloves?
Shit, we just need to start digging. There's some more bone.
Bone, baby. Show me that shovel test. They're just so cavalier about it. I'm wondering if Richard Renosa's grandma was born here and buried here, if he'd be requiring the shovel test. He's the project manager for that. Let's not unearth anything now. I found the spot, and I found a bunch of crushed up arrowhead pieces, and then Daniel just found this piece.
Look at that. Look
it's
at
right
that.
here. There was all crushed up. One poor little arrowhead got crushed. Is that another one there? No.
That is so
Where were we? Where were we just now?
This came from here. Right here.
All right, cool.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at the edges. I mean, this baby's been worked. This is not crushed by anything. This is a tool.
Here's where we are, just so you have reference. There's the sign. Found this one. Look.
Look at that. That's been worked.
I'm almost out of battery, so I'm gonna make these quick shots when we find. I just found this one right, oops, right here, right there. Boom, baby. Whoop, what's that?
It's everywhere.
Boom.
It's freaking everywhere.
Delighted that we're finding what we're finding, but it's so aggravated that Richard Renosa hasn't come clean on this. Look what Daniel just found. The mother of all scrapers. Show them the front side, honey, so they can see it. The other side. Isn't that amazing?
Look at that. That's a worked edge.
Hold the shot for a sec so they can see it. Where did you find that?
Back over there.
Unbelievable.
Look at that.
Unbelievable. We found bone and we've already put that. I just found this scraper here. Right there. A bunch of little flint pieces. Just right there. So we came back and I'm coming up and this is the first I found this one sitting right here. Scraper. Yeah, I just set my stuff here and can you see it? I can't. Right there. You can see where this one was and it got all crushed.
Action.
See how all this got crushed here? I've been finding scrapers and stuff and just you could just see how they just crushed it all. Look at that. All that's flint pieces right there. Unbelievable. All right, thanks.